China Securities Regulatory Commission in chaos. Financial tycoon Wu Guofeng has gone missing. According to reports from several mainland media outlets, news of another financial tycoon going missing has been reported today. Recently, China's economy has been declining, and the financial industry has been in a state of panic, with many tycoons sentenced and investigated. Financial tycoon Wu Guofeng reportedly missing on November 19th. Wu Guofeng, vice president of Guosen Securities in charge of investment banking, was reported missing. Several mainland media reporters called Guosen Securities as investors to verify rumors of Wu Guofeng's disappearance. Relevant personnel from the company's securities department responded that they had not yet received relevant information and suggested waiting for the company's subsequent official announcements. According to the mainland media outlet First Financial Daily, a reporter called the mobile phone of Wu Guofeng, president of Guosen Securities Investment Banking Division, to try to contact him, but the number was found to be disconnected, and WeChat could not reach him either. According to his public resume, Wu Guofeng was born in July 1971 and holds a PhD. Since July 2000, he has worked in the Legal Affairs Commission of the Standing Committee of the National People's Congress of the Communist Party of China and the China Securities Regulatory Commission. He has served as the director of the legal department of the China Securities Regulatory Commission, a member of the GM Stock Issuance Review Committee, concurrently, the director of the Issuance Supervision Department, the assistant director of the Beijing Zhongguancun Management Committee on a temporary basis, the deputy director of the legal department of the China Securities Regulatory Commission, and a member of the executive committee and business director of China Galaxy Securities Co. Limited. It is reported that Wu Guofeng served as a part-time member when the first GEM Issuance Review Committee was established in 2009. Among the 12 part-time members was Li Xiaoqiang. Both were re-elected to the GEM Issuance Review Committee for 3 consecutive terms. According to the Jiangsu Provincial Commission for Discipline Inspection and Supervision, on November 15th, Li Xiaoqiang was suspected of serious violations of discipline and law and is currently under investigation. Wu Guofeng was a business director and executive committee member of China Galaxy 601881.sh. Earlier, Wu worked at the China Securities Regulatory Commission for many years and served as a member of the first to third GEM Stock Issuance Review Committees. In fact, Wu Guofeng has been with Guosen Securities for less than a year. On April 16, 2024, Guosen Securities held the 26th meeting of its 5th board of directors in Shenzhen, combining on-site and telephone meetings, during which the proposal to appoint Wu Guofeng as vice president was approved. After joining Guosen Securities, he was primarily in charge of investment banking. According to Times Finance, Wu Guofeng's most recent public activity was participating in a telephone conference survey of Guosen Securities with institutional investors and analysts on September 6. Wu Guofeng's previous role was at China Galaxy Securities. He was appointed business director of China Galaxy Securities on December 20, 2017. On March 28, 2024, China Galaxy Securities announced that Wu Guofeng had resigned. He worked at Galaxy Securities for more than 6 years, managing the investment banking business. Before joining China Galaxy Securities, Wu Guofeng worked at the China Securities Regulatory Commission for many years. According to China Galaxy Securities' 2022 annual report, from May 2002 to November 2017, Wu Guofeng held various positions, including director of the legal department of the CSRC, concurrently as a member of the GEM Stock Issuance Review Committee, director of the Issuance Supervision Department, assistant director of the Beijing Zhongguancun Management Committee, and deputy director of the legal department of the CSRC. In August 2009, the first GM Issuance Review Committee was formally established with 35 members, including 3 part-time members from the CSRC, 2 full-time members from the Shanghai and Shenzhen stock exchanges, 21 full-time members from outside the CSRC, and 9 part-time members. Wu Guofeng was one of the part-time members of the first GEM Issuance Review Committee at that time and was re-elected for 3 terms. However, during Wu Guofeng's tenure as a member of the GM Issuance Review Committee, he participated in the review of the IPO application of Dandong Xintai Electric Co. Dealer in July 2012. Later, Xintai Electric was penalized by the CSRC for fraudulent issuance in 2016 and was forced to delist. China's financial sector in a state of panic. Recently, China's economy has been in a severe recession, and the financial industry is also in turmoil. According to the Supreme People's Court of the Communist Party of China, on November 19th, the Intermediate People's Court of Guangzhou City, Jiangxi Province, publicly sentenced Zhu Kongju to life imprisonment for accepting bribes, deprived him of political rights for life, and confiscated all his personal property. Zhu Kongju was found to have illegally accepted property totaling more than 105 million yuan, directly or through others. Zhu Kongju served as assistant to the chairman of the China Securities Regulatory Commission and director of the Issuance Supervision Department from 2008 to 2011, working alongside Wu Guofang and Li Xiaoqiang for many years. Currently, Li Xiaoqiang is under investigation. On November 15th, Dongxing Securities, 601198SH, announced that Zhang Jun, the company's director and deputy general manager, resigned from the 6th Board of Directors and Special Committee positions, as well as his deputy general manager role, citing personal reasons. Zhang Jun previously held positions such as deputy researcher and deputy director in the First Supervision Department of the CSRC. Earlier reports indicated that Zhang Jun was taken away by relevant authorities for investigation. Additionally, according to Caixin, in mid-October, Yang Jiaohong, former director of the 4th Department of the CSRC's Issuance Department, was investigated. He had left the CSRC more than 8 years ago and had not worked in any licensed financial institution since. China's man-made bull market has failed. The CCP has lost all its political credit. After the Chinese stock market started a bull market on September 24th, it quickly showed a trend of unfinished business. It took only 10 trading days to turn into a bear market. In the words of netizen at Jielonghui, without a complete bull-bear cycle, it is an incomplete stock life. Now, only 10 trading days have passed, and many stock investors have experienced a mental journey from doubt, hesitation, excitement, madness, disappointment, and regret, which reflects the madness of the stock market during the bull-bear transition. The trigger for the stock market turning from bull to bear was the press conference of the National Development and Reform Commission after the National Day. Two political cadres made speeches that were incomprehensible and repeated what she said, which crushed market confidence and caused the stock market to plummet. The State Council Information Office had to issue a notice urging the market to stay calm and wait for Finance Minister Lan Fawon to introduce the relevant situation of strengthening the counter-cyclical adjustment of fiscal policy and promoting high-quality economic development on Saturday. After the announcement, the benchmark Shanghai Composite Index narrowed its decline. However, a sharp-eyed netizen at Luari Dadao posted, "Defining economic problems as cyclical rather than structural means the resulting policies are unlikely to be structural or unexpected, and this policy bull has come to an end." Netizen at Haishi 2024 posted on the topic, "The outcome of this round of forced bull market has already been determined, and it will definitely end in a mess. However, it is uncertain who will take the blame and become the scapegoat. At present, due to the short time frame, it is very difficult to claim that class enemies are shorting the market. However, the market was triggered by the central bank. If there is a problem, it is natural for the central bank to take the blame." Netizen at Rongjian posted, "China's stock market has now become the biggest challenge to political legitimacy. If the rescue fails, the political consequences will be serious. If the bull market only lasts for a week and ends, all political credit will be lost."